Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Computing series. In the previous video, we had discussed about scalable computing over the internet, and in that, the age of internet computing. So today we'll start with high performance computing. Before going to this, did you know that the world's fastest supercomputer can perform a quadrillion calculations per second? That's 1 followed by 15 zeros. But how does this super speed impact our daily lives? High performance computing is all about super speed computers solving the world's biggest problems like predicting the weather, designing airplanes, and even discovering new medicines. Yes. See, for many years, high performance computing systems emphasize the raw speed performance. The speed of high performance computing systems has increased from G-flops in the earlier 1990s to now P-flops in 2010. That is, see, in 1990s, supercomputers worked at G-flops, that is billion calculations per second. But in 2010 and beyond, they work at P-flops or flops, that is quadrillion calculations per second. Imagine our laptops takes 10 hours to process a complex scientific equation, but high performance computing system can do it in a few seconds. See, high performance computing is not just about speed, it's about solving a problems that regular computers can't handle. Yes, weather forecasting, like predicting hurricanes, we call it as tufan in Hindi, and climate changes, and in medical research, discovering vaccines and new drugs, and space exploration, simulating black holes and space travel, in car and airplane design, making vehicles safer and more efficient. See, they are giving one example. The world's top 500 supercomputers are ranked based on how fast they can solve math problems using a test called the LINPACK benchmark. The fact is that the world's fastest supercomputer, Frontier, can perform over 1 quintillion calculations per second. That's a million times faster than our laptop. Yes, surprisingly, less than 10% of all computer users work with the supercomputers. Most of us use desktops, laptops, or a cloud computing. So, high performance computing is shaping the future faster than we can imagine. If you found this interesting, hit the like and subscribe and share with your friends. We'll move on to the next. That is high throughput computing. See, the development of market-oriented high-end computing systems is undergoing a strategic change from an high-performance computing paradigm to an high-throughput computing paradigm. That is a strategic shift from high-performance computing to high-throughput computing. See, in traditional high-performance computing focuses on raw speed, that is how fast a computer processes a single task. Yes, but high throughput computing focuses on handling a many tasks at once efficiently. Think of it like high performance computing is a super fast sports car, yes, that finishes one race as fast as possible, right? High throughput computing is a fleet of delivery trucks that delivers thousands of packages at once. See, the next point is this high throughput computing paradigm pays more attention to high flux computing. That means computing that handles a continuous flow of large amounts of tasks efficiently. Instead of focusing on solving a one big problem quickly, yes, high flux computing ensures that many smaller tasks are processed simultaneously and continuously. The next is the main application for a high flux computing is in internet searches and web services by millions or more users simultaneously. That is high throughput computing powers large scale applications such as Google searches, yes, processing billions of queries daily, right? In cloud services, running apps like Gmail, YouTube, and then e-commerce platforms handle millions of transactions simultaneously. And then AI and big data analytics processing tons of data for predictions and automation. Next is, how is high throughput computing measured? Yes, instead of measuring the speed, high throughput computing focuses on a throughput, that is, how many tasks can be completed per second. Like a data center running millions of search queries at once needs high throughput computing, not just a fast supercomputer. For example, an high throughput computing, sorry, high performance computing system might solve one complex weather model quickly, but high throughput computing system might process millions of weather reports for a different locations at once. Yes, next. See, for high throughput computing work efficiently, companies must focus cost reduction. That is, running thousands of servers in is expensive, right? Then energy efficiency. Data centers consume a huge amount of power. And then security and reliability, protecting user data from cyber attacks. Is the finally, high throughput computing is about handling a many tasks efficiently rather than just processing speed. Okay, it's the backbone of cloud computing, search engines, and AI driven services that millions of people use every day.